We officially made it to Santa Cruz Beach. The baby's out here picking up shells. We're on the beach part right now, but the boardwalk's just right behind us. We were just walking there. Showed you guys a little bit of video of it. It's very full today, and it's barely gonna be 7, so we're gonna go see what we can go eat. We didn't ride any rides today. Kind of came here late. But the reason we came here late is because we went to the Winchester house that we've been wanting to do. So that's why we didn't really get on anything. But yeah, made it. Honestly, on these 2 days that we've been out here, we've actually done quite a bit, haven't we? We're literally out here for just 2 days. But
I feel like we usually try to make the most out of like whatever day we have. Just 1 day.
so how this trip started out was, originally we were just gonna go get some hot pot from Sacramento, and from that it turned out to just blossom into a 2-day hiatus to a place that we know very well ourselves. Oh, we're gonna have to put on sandals right here. It turned out to be a 2-day hiatus because we were just gonna go get hot pot. That's all we were gonna do. And if there's any like wind or anything, I'm sorry, it's very windy out here. But we came out to the beach. We spent a little time at the beach. The water's still cold. We walked around on the boardwalk. She got a, what'd you get? Like a fruit stick bowl? Fruit stick cup with lime and tahini. I'm still gonna see what I can get, but for now we know we want to go check out something to go eat. But yeah, definitely, you know, we had some fun. We go home tomorrow, but here's the thing. We do this kind of stuff all the time, so it's not like it's where we're thinking like, oh, you know, we better take advantage because we're not going to be back. No. We live maybe about 4 hours away from Santa Cruz. We live about 3.5 from San Francisco. We live 2 hours and 15 minutes away from Sacramento. We basically have the freedom to go on these trips whenever we want. We just gotta make sure that our days get aligned very well. So we have the 3 or 4 days off to go be able to do this stuff. But yeah, so far we've been having fun. We've been enjoying ourselves. Now it's time to go eat. It's time to go relax. I mean, do you have any complaints about this trip?
Not really. Like I said, I honestly had a lot of fun. And I think it's just all about the experience and like really taking it in more than anything.
Yeah, I like to tell you guys that this is actually our first time on the beach as a couple together. And when I say the beach, I don't mean like a lake beach, no, like a seaside beach, because we've never been together on a seaside beach. And so yeah. Oh, and it was our first experience together at the Winchester because I had never been, she had never been. You want to watch your feet, baby?
No, I think it should be good. I feel like if I do that, then it will just stick a lot more, you know?
So yeah, so we're just gonna check what else we can check out here and then get to go eat. All right then, you guys, so we're signing off. We'll probably see you guys during dinner time, but for now we got to pay attention to where we're walking because it's pretty full. What? All right then, you guys, I'll see you in a bit.